What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I already started taking apart the rest of the harness. So the harness is all right there. Motor mounts are disconnected, so now I gotta go under the car on both the heads from the exhaust, and then do the, I'm not completely gonna take out the motor, but just enough to get to that side. So I'm gonna have to do the tranny, the shift knob, whatever, and then yeah. But like I said, I'm trying to get to a part right here on the headers. You won't be able to see it, man. Well, it's a part right here on the headers that I completely ignored and just fucked this completely, or fucked me completely. You guys saw that the car ran good, or not good, but it ran, it turned on, all that good stuff. So yeah, crazy how one little mistake, not even little, one mistake will cause you to fucking do this shit again. It's all good. So Friday now. Hopefully I could pull it out today. That way on Saturday, tomorrow, I could have the rest of the crew here. They could help me out, plugging everything back up. I'll go buy some more oil, coolant, and shit to get it running by Saturday or Sunday. I say Saturday, but you know how it goes. We always run into some new problems and shit. But it's good, it's getting there. Alright, so I got the whole harness completely now. All I need is the little fuel for the fuel. I'm gonna get the exhaust, I mean. The headers down from the exhaust. Let's see if I can show you from right here. Let me see. Yeah, you can't see it. But yeah, I'm gonna get the exhaust unbolted on both sides. The shift knob out, the shifter, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Doing this solo today. Fuck. Alright, so got the car in head first in the garage. It's fucking hot, nigga. I ain't trying to work on my legs standing out in the sun, or at least pushing this shit out in the sun. Ah, fuck that. Alright, so now I'm gonna get started on doing the exhaust now, and then the shifter. And now that I actually think about it, I can actually throw the flange shroud on. Oh fuck. Sick. Think about the positive side. Think about the positive side, doggy. Yeah. Alright, so I got the three bolts off this exhaust side right here. See how it's loose from the headers now. Dripping a shitload of fucking coolant. Oh well. So now I'm gonna get to the other side and then see if I could do the transmission, the fucking the shifter, and then tussle that shit out. Like I said, I'm not pulling it out the whole fucking thing because I have no help, but it's going. Alright, so I got my exhaust bolts off. I got the driver's side. Where's it at? Driver's side, passenger side. So now I gotta take off the whole exhaust. I completely forgot I have to pull the drive shaft again. So I'm gonna start with the exhaust. So that means I gotta raise the back. Pull the drive shaft, and then I can start on the shifter. Shit is no joke, man. Shit is This shit legit is kicking my ass. Fuck, man. And doesn't do no justice when you're by yourself. Vergas. Yeah. So I'm gonna start doing that. Alright, so I need one more bolt for this. Let's take this shit off. Hey, this fucking little tool right here, this bad boy came in clutch. So oh, vergas. Alright. I think, oh, I gotta, fuck, man, I gotta disconnect those hoses from the exhaust over there, and then I can pull out the exhaust. Where is it at? So those little side hoses. Alright, so I'm gonna get to that real quick. The whole exhaust is out. Now the drive shaft. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember, but I had said that I had put JB weld on the exhaust. Look at that shit. You guys have anything that'll fucking patch that shit up? Recommend me something? I'd appreciate it. Drop it in the comments. Because I think this exhaust is fucked. It's just cracked from like the tips. But yeah, we'll start doing the drive shaft. And then that's probably gonna do it for me today. Tomorrow's Saturday. And I should have more help, so yeah. Alright, so pretty much all I need left is the drive shaft mount. Where the fuck is it at? These right here. It's only two of them. So that one and that one. And then the whole thing should come off. Ow, my face. Oh, this one was in a bit tight. Man, God. I'll get those off right now. There you go. Just like that. I can't reach it. Just like that, the drive shaft is out. And that's probably gonna do it for me today. That's gonna do it for me today. I'm fucking done. You see me? There you go. I'm fucking done. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one, man.